Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Gaurav channel and HPCL exam preparation strategy video for maintenance engineer post. So as you already know, okay, the vacancy is out for maintenance engineer, okay, for HPCL, and this is the good opportunity for all the diploma candidates. So in this video, I will discuss with you syllabus and how you can prepare for the exam and how you can crack this exam. Obviously, good score. Okay, so everything we will discuss in this video, and this is the phase 1 strategy video. Okay, I will tell you also what is the phase 1 and phase 2 strategy videos. For that, just if you didn't fill the form yet, then form last date is 21st of May. In the comment section, I am pinning the form filling video. Watch that and then you can fill the form. Before moving to our strategy video, the motivation. Okay, what is the motivation to prepare for HPCL exam? So definitely this year, that is 2022 year, is the year for diploma candidates, because you can see lots of vacancies are coming for you guys. Okay, also PSUs, public sector units, are just giving you opportunity to get job in PSU. Okay, and definitely if I say before 2018, then most of the PSUs only recruit engineers, but now they are recruiting diploma candidates. So this is the big opportunity for diploma candidates to get the job in 2022. Okay. Second thing, that there is no negative marking in HPCL exam, so that's why this is the advantage for you. And joining will be in 2022 only. So this is the three important points, okay, which is the motivation for to prepare for HPCL exam 2022. Now we will discuss about exam pattern. So we first section we have of technical, okay, where you are getting 50 marks for 50 questions, and general aptitude section is there where you will get 50 questions for 50 marks. Okay, so total 100 questions, 100 marks, you will get 2 hours, and definitely 100% weightage is for your online test exam. There is no sectional cutoff. Okay, now the most important thing is your expected exam date. So see, now we current month is going on May. Okay, your form last date is also May month, that is 21st of May. So your expected exam date will be July 2nd week. Okay, max to max it will go to third week, but if your exam will be in July month only. Okay, so definitely before July month we should complete our syllabus. So our target exam date or target date to complete the syllabus will be July 1st week. So this is thing you need to note down. Okay, now we will discuss about our preparation strategy video. So basically this strategy video I divided into two phases. Okay, that is your phase 1 and then your phase 2. So what is the phase 1 and phase 2? So basically whole syllabus we divide. Okay, and in this phase 1 phase wise strategy video, I will tell you the topics which you should complete in the given specific period. Okay, I will also tell you what is the period of phase 1. So in that particular period only you are expected to complete the syllabus, whatever topic I will tell you in this video. Okay, similarly we will do in phase 2 in next month. So this is our phase wise strategy video. Now what is the period for phase 1? So we will start with 8 May, okay, to 8 June. So whatever syllabus or whatever topics I will tell you for later, definitely you need to complete them in this period only. Okay, that is from tomorrow to 8 June you need to complete. Okay, at least you can try. It's okay if you can add the 4 to 5 days, obviously because of some reasons it may delay, but 4 to 5 days max you can add in phase 1, right? So this is the period for phase 1, and now we will see what things are there in phase 1 and not. So I will go branch wise now. Okay, and in the here you can see timestamp. So just click on your timestamp and then you can watch your syllabus for your particular branch. Okay, yeah, so first we will start with electrical engineering. So your technical syllabus will be network theory, measurement and instrumentation, then you have electric machines, generation and transmission distribution, estimation and costing, utilization of electrical energy, and basics of electronics. So this is the total syllabus for electrical engineering students. Okay, now what subjects are included in phase 1? Let's discuss that. Okay, so our first subject in phase 1 strategy video is your network theory. Okay, very important subject and basics, and definitely your good weightage you can expect from network theory in your HPCL exam. So what topics you need to under this you need to study, I mentioned there. Okay, so just you can just make note down this topic and just try to complete these topics. Okay, so this is the syllabus for network theory, and whatever I mentioned here, just try to complete it. Then the next is your measurement and measuring instruments. So for that also all the topics are listed here, so just you can check that. Okay, and try to complete the syllabus for this, and this is the second subject which we are including in phase 1, and third one will be estimated and costing. Okay, and fourth subject is utilization of electrical energy. So this four subject we are dealing in phase 1 strategy video. that is 8 May to 8 June. You need to try to complete all the syllabus. Now the important thing, okay, what books or resources you can use for preparation. So definitely for theoretical part, if you have your diploma books, then that you can refer, there is no problem in that. Okay, if you don't have, then you to just arrange handwritten notes from somewhere and you to read that. So this is for your reading part. Okay, now for practice part, from which source you can practice. So what you will do, you can just practice SSC. Okay, SSC exam is there, SSC junior engineer for electrical branch. You can practice all the previous years of SSC, and whenever our test series will come for HPCL, definitely you will get update on our channel and our Telegram channel. So after this video, just in the description, Telegram channel is there. Okay, just connect to Telegram channel if you are serious and if you want to crack this HPCL exam then. Okay, so I will tell you further then whether your test series will be there or not in the Telegram channel. So for now, the important thing is practice. Okay, just focus on your preparation part. Don't think about exam marks and everything. Just focus on your preparation part. And for practice, SSCJ previous year paper you can refer last 20 years. Okay, 2022 you can refer for that. So this is the strategy for your technical part. Now non-technical part, you can just go to your timestamp and you can view that. If you have any query, any doubt in technical, definitely you can comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram also. Okay. Next branch is mechanical. So for mechanical, what is the total syllabus? Theory of machines and machine design, engineering mechanics and strength of materials, thermal engineering, fluid mechanics and machinery, and production engineering. So this is the total syllabus for your HPCL exam. Okay. Now what subjects we are including in phase 1? Let's discuss that. Okay, so first subject we are including theory of machines and machine design, and what you need to study in this subject, all the topics I mentioned here. Okay, I will not dictate that. You can just see, you can just note it down. So concept of simple machine and everything is mentioned here. Okay, which you need to study in this. Our second subject in phase 2 will be engineering mechanics and strength of materials. We are including this subject, and from here you need to do this type of topics. Okay, all the topics are listed here. So this is the second subject. Then our third subject will be production engineering. Okay, obviously the subject which I included in phase 1 are as per weightage, so you can expect good number of questions from these three subjects, and this is your third subject in phase 1 strategy video. Under production, what you need to study, all the things I mentioned here. Okay, so just quick look, just have a look on this and just note it down. Now the important thing is books and resources. So what you will use. Okay, so obviously for reading part, first we will discuss about reading and concept development part. So you can refer any notes you can, if you have, definitely. Otherwise just you can refer your diploma books. Okay, if you have diploma books, then definitely that is good for you, because in that you can cover theoretical plus numerical part very well. That's why I will suggest you to go to diploma books. But if you don't have, then definitely you have arrange handwritten notes from somewhere, right? Then for practice part, what you will practice, that is most important thing. So you can practice SSC previous year papers. Okay, last 20 years and 22 depending on your branch. So that much you can practice for this, and definitely you will get prepared for your HPCL exam, right? So this is the strategy for your technical part for mechanical branch. Okay, next branch is instrumentation. So for instrumentation, what is the total syllabus in technical portion? So measurement and instrumentation, network theory, control system, basics of electronics, analog electronics, digital and signal system. This is the total syllabus, okay, for instrumentation engineering. Now we will see what subject we are including in phase 1. So first subject, which is most important and you can expect maximum weightage from this subject, that is your measurement and measuring instrument. Okay, under that what you need to study, all those topics I mentioned here. So just note it down, or you can just have a quick look on that. Okay, so these are the topics or chapters I can say which you need to study under measurement and measuring instrument, which is our first subject. Then second will be network theory. We are including again second high weightage subject you can expect for your HPCL exam, and under network theory what you need to study I mentioned here. Okay, so just have a quick look on it. And the next is your analog electronics. So in analog electronics what you need to study I mentioned here, so just have a quick look on it. Okay, and just try to complete the syllabus as per given chapters, right? Now which books and resources you will use, so let's discuss that quickly. So for reading part, if you have your diploma books, then definitely that is good. Okay, there is no problem in that. But if you don't have, then definitely you can arrange handwritten notes from somewhere, because that is the most important thing. Okay, for practice, now for practice what you can do for instrumentation, so you can practice just EAC last 10-year paper, okay, of electronics engineering. Obviously that will be too much, but there is no proper resource to practice the question. Definitely our success pack or our test series will be there for you guys, so just wait for that. But for now just focus on reading part, and if you want to practice the questions, then you can refer ESE last 10 years paper. Okay, last 10 years will be enough, so no need to worry in that. This is a strategy for your instrumentation branch. Okay, so now we are starting our non-technical preparation strategy, and obviously this is for all the branches, right? So first, your important subject is GK here, because GK have good number of weightage. You can expect the good number of questions from GK. Okay, what you need to study under GK: history, geography, polity, economics, science, and GK. That is static GK. I will not recommend here current affairs for you guys. Just focus on this part. Okay, in GK definitely some current affair will be there, but not hardcore current affair you need to read for GK part. Okay, just static GK is required. That is who is the first president and question like that. Okay, so in phase 1 what we are including, we will including history part and your polity part. These two subjects we are including in your phase 1 preparation strategy. So just try to complete the part here. In history you have to study definitely ancient history, then medieval, and then modern history you have to study in history part. Polity also you have to good you have to study very well, because lots of questions they will ask from polity also. Okay, so for GK this is our strategy video. This is your quant. So total syllabus you need to study for your quant portion. We can see here percent ratio, SC same. Okay, profit or discount, number system, SICI, time and work, both system, pipe system, average, mensuration, and time distance, edges, and trigonometry height distance. So this is a total syllabus you need to study in your quant section. Now what chapters we are including in our phase 1? Okay, so first we are including percentage ratio and HCF LCM. Okay, second we are including your profit, loss, and discount. Third we are including SI and CI. Fourth we are including time and distance, and fifth and last we are including, that is your pipes and systems. Okay, so these 5 subjects we are including in your phase 1 video, phase 1 strategy. Okay, just note it down. Now next is your reasoning portion. So what is the syllabus of reasoning? Coding, decoding, classification, blood relation, direction test, number series, counting figure, missing figure, paper cutting, paper holding. Okay, then analytical part is there. Then course of action, DI, data interpretation, sitting arrangement, analogy, and puzzle. Now what chapters we are including in phase 1? So first is your blood relation. Okay, second direction test. Third will be you can just go for counting figures, then missing figures, paper cutting, paper holding. That is non-verbal part. Okay, whole non-verbal part you can do from this. So these are the 5 chapters we are including in our phase 1 preparation strategy video. Okay, next part is your English. Now in English what we have: grammar, synonym, antonym, idioms, one word substitution, parajumble, closeness, and comprehension. Okay, so in phase 1 basically for English what we are including grammar part. Okay, and synonym, antonym, idioms, obviously I will tell you how to prepare for this, and one more substitution also, so don't worry for that. But in phase 1 we are only including your grammar part, because if you complete your grammar part then approximately 70% portion of English will get covered in that. Okay, so just grammar part is required for you guys. All the rules and everything which is included in the grammar you can do. Okay, now we will see the preparation strategy for non-technical portion. Okay, I already told you the syllabus and everything. Okay, so first we are coming with GK. So for GK, what book and what other resources you can use, let me just mention for you guys. So first is Lucent book. Okay, one book is there, Lucent. So that book you can refer for your history and polity, which are included in your phase 1. Okay, second will be your general studies. Now what is this general studies? So daily on our Telegram channel, okay, I am uploading general studies PDF. So that PDF question you need to practice. Okay, just practice the questions, and definitely for GK lots of practice is required. So daily if you see that PDF, then definitely it will get you advantage. Okay, so in the description you will get the Telegram channel link. Join Telegram channel and just follow our Telegram PDF of general studies. Okay, very important. Next you can follow, that is your static GK PDF. Okay, daily we are uploading static GK PDF also, so that you need to follow. Next we are uploading current affair PDF also. Daily current affair PDF is uploading, okay, for free on our Telegram channel, so just refer that PDF also. And last PDF is daily table. Okay, now what is daily table? So in that daily table you will get all the things in one table which you can remember, that is important fights of history. Okay, then important days. From means this topic they can ask maximum questions, so that's why all the things I am including here. So these 4 PDFs you will refer for your GK part for HPCL exam. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Next part, that is your quant. So in quant basically you will refer, okay, RS Agarwal book, whatever topics or whatever chapters I mentioned, so you can cover that from RS Agarwal. Okay, second, daily on our Telegram PDF we are uploading quant PDF, daily quant PDF. Okay, So that PDF you need to refer and practice questions from that. So definitely you will get good experience and good practice for your quant portion, right? So like this you can prepare for quant. Then reasoning. For reasoning also you will use RS Agrawal, okay, which is the best book, and basics all you will get clear from that. And daily we are uploading daily reasoning PDF. So that daily reasoning PDF you will refer from our Telegram channel, okay. Now in addition to this, we are uploading separate PDF for data interpretation and puzzle. So this also you need to refer compulsory, because data interpretation and puzzle will have compulsory, you will get question from this, okay. Sure short question you will get in your exam from DI and puzzle. So just try to complete the DI and puzzle part from our PDF only. No need to refer any other thing, because daily you are getting one question of DI, one question of puzzle, and if you practice till your exam, that is suppose in till July, if you practice, then you will get good confidence in DI and puzzle part, okay. So like this you will prepare for your content reasoning part. Last will be English. So for English, any book that have a basic grammar thing you can just refer, okay, no need to worry in that. The important thing is daily we are uploading daily English PDF, okay. On our Telegram channel we are uploading daily English PDF. So what you will do now, I already told you, okay, that synonym, antonym, idioms and everything, that part, that is unlimited part. Obviously you can't read all the synonyms, all the antonyms, and in your exam there will be there, okay. So whatever synonym, antonym, idioms are present in our English PDF, only refer that, okay. Try to learn that and note down, and just revise that before your exam. So definitely there are maximum chances that same synonym, same antonym you will get in your exam, because obviously suppose one word is there, okay, this is one word, and based on that in our English PDF there are 4 synonyms, okay. Then sometimes what happen, they can ask from this also, and in option you will get this also. So vice versa is possible in your exam. So definitely from one word you will get 4 words, okay. So this is the perfect strategy to prepare for synonym, antonym and idioms and other part of English. Obviously English grammar is also there in that PDF, so just refer that PDF. So compulsory, in the description you will get the Telegram channel link, okay. So just join that and you will get lots of things there, and just follow. Important thing, see, those who will get selection in HPCL, they will just, if you, those candidates who will maintain their consistency of preparation, okay, if you follow my strategy video with your consistency and plus dedication, then definitely you can make it to HPCL, and which is the big opportunity for you, because this is Maharatna, okay. So and if you have any query, any doubt, definitely you can connect to me on Telegram also, on Instagram also, and on WhatsApp also, okay, on our website also, everything on everywhere you can connect to me. About our test series and everything, I will just give you details in our Telegram, and obviously I will make video also, no need to worry for that. So just wait for that, okay. So have any query, have any doubt, just comment down below. All the best for your phase 1. I will meet you in the phase 2 strategy video, and before that, if any update is from HPCL, definitely I will share with you guys, so no need to worry for that, okay. Just you focus on preparation, rest of the things leave to me, okay. All the best.